Question number 11. The figure ABCDEFGH below represents a box. The top lid of the box is opened such that the height OT is 35 centimeters. Calculate part A. The angle the top lid makes with the plane FGHE. So we have to draw a line from OT to the base of the plane and we can label the point of intersection as M. Then we draw another line from that point M to T. Then we are expected to find theta. So we know, let this one be x, we know that Tx will be 25 centimeters. The reason is OT is given as 35 centimeters and we know that OX is 10 centimeters. So if we subtract 10 from 35, we get 25, which is the length of Tx. So this is 25 centimeters and here we have 50 centimeters. We are supposed to get the value of this theta. Applying SOHCAHTOA, we have sine theta is equal to opposite of hypotenuse, which is 25 over 50. So sine theta is equal to 1 over 2, and therefore the value of theta will be sine inverse of 1 over 2, which is equal to 30 degrees. Part B, we are told to find the length BE correct to 2 decimal places. Therefore, we have to use the plane ABCD to find the length of BD, which is the diagonal of the plane. So we have the rectangle ABCD. We draw it. So if this is A, B, C, D, we are interested with BD. And from the box we can see that the length AB is 50 centimeters and the length BC is 90 centimeters. So we have 50 centimeters, we have 90 centimeters. We apply SOHCAHTOA to get BD. So we can have 50 squared plus 90 squared should be equal to BD squared. So 50 squared is 2500 plus 90 squared, which is 8100, should be equal to BD squared by Pythagoras theorem. So if we add 2500 to 8100, we'll get 10,600, which is equal to BD squared. So to get the value of BD, we find the square root of 10,600, which is equal to 102.956. centimeters. With that length, which is diagonal, we can now get the length BE, because we'll draw this line to make 90 degrees with the line DE. Then we drop another line from E to B, which is now the hypotenuse of the triangle BDE. So again, we draw the triangle BDE. So from D to E we have 10 centimeters. From B to D we have 102.956, that is 102.956. Then we are going to look for BE, which is our hypotenuse. By Pythagoras theorem, 10 squared plus 102.956 squared should be equal to BE squared, which is H squared. So 100 from 10 squared and 102.956 squared gives us 10,600. This should be equal to BE squared. If you add 10,600 to 100, you'll get 10,700, which should be equal to BE squared. To get the length BE, we find the square root of 10,700, which will be equal to 103.44 centimeters, correct to 2 decimal points.